you explain the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, RESPA?
So originally refers to everything that happened when the loan was originated, right? And so when you are looking for RESPA violations, there's things that happen when you actually went to closing, or some like a bait and switch where a person sat down at the table, they thought they were getting a 30-year fixed loan, and when they go to sign, it's an adjustable interest only for 3 years, and then it's going to be due in 10. And they're like, this isn't what I agreed to. But most people on the day of settlement they just go with it. They sign it because they're not going to walk away from the table or the home or whatever else. So they buy it and they end up with a loan that they didn't want. So down the road, as things start to happen, we can look back to that original process, and perhaps there were violations that occurred during that time from the mortgage originator. Further down the road, RESPA violations refer to some of the things that I was mentioning, like when the statements don't match the loan, or there are things within the deed of trust that say exactly how the lender is supposed to do things, and if they don't do them properly, then they have violated RESPA. The loss mitigation stuff I was talking about with the CFPB, that's also part of RESPA. That's the Regulation X and guidelines that they put out there for if you have a complete package, when is it complete, and all of those things. And so if I submit an application for a loan mod and they send me a letter that says your file is complete, we'll give you an answer within 30 days because that's what's required. But if they can't complete it within 30 days, they then have to send a new notice out that says we need more time. If they don't send that notice, that's a RESPA violation, so we can go back and count violations and see how many things have happened, and each one of them has statutory damages.